So I noticed that my Cherry Cobbler stamp pad needed re-inking. When I went to stamp an image the other day, it was coming out darker on the outside and lighter on the inside. So I just wanted to show you guys this. So I don't know if you can see how it's darker here and darker on the outside parts, but much lighter on the inside parts, and the image is not stamping very well. So I have my re-inker. So what we need to do is just double check Cherry Cobbler, so we don't accidentally ink the wrong pad with the wrong color. And I have a plastic spoon. I'm just going to squeeze my re-inker on top of my ink pad. And then take my plastic spoon and just smooth it out so that the ink is dispersed through the pad. And hopefully this will help the stamped image. Let's take a look. Yep, that's much better. It's still spotty in parts. So maybe if we add some more ink. Okay. It's definitely getting better. I feel like there's still some spots where it's darker, but the whole image looks a lot better. I feel like maybe just playing around with it until it gets to the image inconsistency that you are looking for. It's definitely more in the inside part of the pad. Oh, that looks really good. That is much better. I could see a little spot, but I feel like that's much, much better than it was. I think it's just playing around with how much ink is needed in your pad. I've only had this one for about a year, but I did use Cherry Cobbler a lot for Christmas cards last year. I think that's perfect. I just wanted to show you guys the whole process with re-inking your pads, and then the tip that I had received from another demonstrator with the spoon. I feel like that really helps a lot. And I feel like your ink refills are going to go a really long way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend.